our NSF natural gas pasta noodle cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 24.5 inches, depth of 39.5 inches, overall height 50 inches. There will be 9 compartments or 9 slots for you to insert your baskets to cook, boil your noodles and pasta. And for each compartment, each one measures 5 inches in radius. So 9 compartments, each one measures 5 inches in radius. Coming to the bottom are 2 E-level valves for operation and for gas. Underneath will be a waste tray. The measurement for the waste tray will be 17 inches in length by 31 inches in depth. Coming to the front will be a plate with the NSF certification along with BTU information. Coming to the front of the pasta noodle cooker, on the left side will be a copper elbow and a connection for water. On the bottom will be the waste tray and the waste and access line to be accumulated and drained towards the bottom. The measurement for the pasta noodle cooking area, the height will include 5.5 inches in height by 23.25 inches in length. On the top are 2 bars or 2 areas for storage. Coming to the back will be the furnace or ventilation area for the pasta noodle cooker. A length of 1.25 inches and a depth of 3.5 inches measuring this area. The bottom will be your water and gas pipe for connection. For all questions and concerns, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.